Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and it's a Friday afternoon for me out here around Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And I'm doing a little prospecting today, and I really got good at a process that I want to share with you in regards to prospecting through LinkedIn. So first of all, I went to Reference USA. I have an account with Reference USA through my public library. And if you don't know how to do that, you really need to figure out how to do that. But I went to Reference USA and I did some searching using all the different search fields that they have, and I built a list. And I took that list and I exported it out and I created this spreadsheet. So I created a spreadsheet, and they give me Reference USA gives me good information. It gives me the name of the company, it gives me the first name and the last name of the executive, their address, their city, state, and a bunch of other content to the right. But what I did was I took the first name and the last name, and I took the first word of the company name, and I built this string over here. First name, last name, and the first word of the company name. This makes it really easy to just basically copy that. Watch this, folks. Go to LinkedIn, paste that right here, and do a search for first name, last name, and company name. When I hit enter, it brings me that gentleman up, and I can quickly see he is the past chairman and president of that company. So now what I do is I go to the next one, copy that, go back to LinkedIn, paste that right there, and then I can see there's Cindy Smith-Waite, president of Accenture. And I can see that it probably is the right one, even though it was ACC Staffing was the name of the company, Accenture Staffing in Raleigh, Durham, so I found that one. So then I would take that through my process. Let's do one more. So get out here and grab the next one, do a Control-C. This is Clear Design Inc. Go to LinkedIn, paste that in there, and there's Clean Design Inc. So I can bring that person up. This is prospecting steps that I use on LinkedIn. I start with my list. I build my list in such a way that I can do a quick little search for first name, last name, and the first name of the company. And then I just copy that. I go into LinkedIn, paste that in a search string. Sometimes I have to hit enter, and then I can bring up that person, bring up their profile, and make a decision if I want to take that person through my process. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope that quick little process of prospecting on LinkedIn is helpful.